Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Rocket.net, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you back up your website in your Rocket.net hosting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to back up your website in Rocket.net anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're going to be making some changes to your website, it's a good idea to back up your website before you make any drastic changes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to back up one of your websites, here on the left side, you're going to click on Sites. Once you do that, you're going to see all the websites you're currently working on. You can see I just have this one. And in order to back up a website off to the right, click on Manage. It's in blue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these buttons here on the top, and you want to click on Backups. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the backups you might have already created. You can see I haven't created any for this website. And to create a backup, click on this blue Create Backup button. Okay, now you can go ahead and label the backup. So before implement forms. Okay, now you can choose to back up the files and the database, and then click on confirm. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have a backup that we just created. The backup is still processing. So if you're going to make any changes, you want to wait for that to go through, and you're going to see this green pop up right here, backup created successfully. I sped the video up, but it actually took about 45 seconds to back up this website. But this website's really small. If you have a huge website, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. But once it's finished, you're going to see this available under status. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a backup of your website in your Rocket.net hosting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.